Morning, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the iCloud storage device, Google Drive, and how I specifically will be using this resource throughout the EDCI 270 course in order to maintain some organization within all the files that we're going to be dealing with. So primarily what we're going to be looking at is the 275 stuff folder that I have created here in Google Docs. So the main thing is whenever I download files, whether it be from the Blackboard or Brightspace format, I will be dropping them into the 270 folder as such. And then within this, we've broken it down to a couple different folders here between blog posts, Google Docs, my nutrition resources, which is my theme, rubrics and important class information, and announcements along with screencasts and videos. So for the week one information, I'm going to be dropping that into the rubrics and important information category. And the Google Docs collaboration writing tool, I will be dropping into the Google Docs just so I have a reference for my own um, sources. So that's the process for which I will be doing things here. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.